Hey guys, it's been a really long time, and being a mom is crazy and busy. Over the last year that I have done an unboxing video, I've ordered a box paracord. I opened it on a live Twitch stream just to kind of show it there, but I literally haven't done anything with it since. And I had been getting this itching feeling to try to get back into my paracord and find something that is creative, that sparks some joy for me as an individual, and doing something that is outside of motherhood has been bringing me a really good feeling again. So I have this box. I don't even remember when I ordered it. Was it February? Was it May? And I haven't even opened it in months. So let's see what is in here and see what I got in here. The baby is taking a nap, so this is a really impromptu, real glimpse into what my brain, how it's functioning lately and what my life is like. I think I threw the packing slip away. Oh no, I lied. Okay, never mind. Hold please. Let's see, in case I forget what I actually have on here. So we got some 550 cord and 95 cord in here. So no new micros, but I do have some new colors, one of which is alloy orange. So this one is a lighter orange. It's not quite it's very similar to a goldenrod or the Air Force Gold, but it is a little bit more orange than the Air Force Gold. I've been doing a lot more archery wrist slings lately, and not because I have any kind of passion about archery, but they're just very simple projects, and where I have been getting this, what is the word I'm looking for? Getting the urge to craft, I don't always have a lot of time to sit down and do it. So those crafts are easy and get me kind of thinking about color schemes and things like that. So they're nice and simple. And I've been wanting to get that alloy orange open, but didn't want to have it open for this unboxing video. Anyway, a new one is Ivy Green. This one is going to replace the teal color that I have on hand right now. It's a really dark teal, but Atwood's cord that's called teal is almost like a neon turquoise. So this one will be Ivy Green. Really excited about that one. Mojave is one of the color changing cords. This one has like stripes of that goldenrod or Air Force Gold, vertical stripes down there, and then there's pixelated spots of purple and red in there as well. So it does kind of have that hue shift, kind of that red orange with a little bit of that yellow hue in there. One of my favorite color shifting ones because it actually shifts better than most. An olive drab, so just a standard dark green. And Quicksand. Looks like there's actually like vertical stripes of like a slightly darker brown with patches of brown and tan in there as well. Nice neutral. And then this one is another color shifting one. This one's called Atomizer. It doesn't really shift in hue like the Mojave does, but it does have some vertical stripes of a gray, maybe more of a lighter graphite type of shade, with bits of purple and green in there as well. So, and then very excited about this one. I've been waiting for years, I kid you not, years, for Atwood's Uber Glow paracord. I've gotten glow in the dark from another company before, and the like the texture of it and how it pairs with my normal cord is just not how I like it. It does burn differently. It's flatter, it's thicker. So I've been waiting for a long time for this to come into stock. They didn't have the 100-foot bundles when I ordered this, so I got 3 50-foot bundles. I haven't like checked it out and seen like how bright it glows at night and how long it glows, but ooh, it's literally glowing right now on the couch. It hasn't even really been exposed to light that long either, so that's interesting. And then 95 cords, there are now color shifting 95 cords. So naturally, had to do it. This one is Scarab, so it looks like black and red, but it has stripes of red with spots of dark green and like a maroon in there as well. So a nice dark red shade. X-Mystique. Yeah, X-Mystique is the color of this one. Also, one of my absolute top favorite color shifting cords, because you can just see it right there. The orange and the blue shifting. There's stripes of like a silver, no, excuse me, stripes of like a burnt orange with bits of silver and a lighter blue in there. Like, tell me that's not beautiful. Wow. So I'm really excited to try to get into macrame more and use these 95 cords. This one, I think this one is Molten Orange. Yeah, Molten Orange. I have this one in a micro cord, but this is my first 95 cord with this color. This one is stripes of more of a burnt orange, or maybe more of a standard orange here, but little specks of purple and red in there too. So again, maybe not like the most obvious hue shift, but you can kind of see that orange and red kind of shifting a little bit in there as well. So a warmer version from like the Scarab type or the Mojave, a little warmer than Mojave. I'm probably not going to do very many edits on this video because we are very impromptu during nap time today. This one, what is this one? Horizon. So I actually haven't had this color, I don't think at all. I might have it in micro cord, but I've already forgotten. I've literally not touched my paracord in so long, other than, you know, the most recent couple weeks, that I don't even hardly remember what colors I have. I have to go through and like really look at everything again, because mom brain, you know, it's a real thing. This one has stripes of like a royal blue with bits of purple and red. So this one is a really nice hue shift there with the purple, blues, and the red, kind of that purple type color. Really pretty. And then Chameleon. I do have this one in a micro cord as well. Again, another really good hue shifter, reds and greens. So this one has stripes of green with bits of purple and red in there. So really fun colors. And now I'm excited that I can actually put them into my stock and pull them out and use them for whatever craft my heart desires right now. So that is what's in the box. That has been in the box since February. But yeah, I am taking orders and crafting. I am slower than I like to admit. Some crafts are very easy and quick to get done, so obviously that doesn't follow suit with that statement. But yeah, if you are looking to have something created, if you are wanting information on different colors, if you are needing any links to save some money at Atwood, check my description for that. Otherwise, you can find all of my socials linked in the video description too, and reach out, and I hope you have an awesome day.